Today, I'll show you how to create a professional PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat, a simple process that will help you organize several PDFs into one neat package. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to gather your documents together and present them as a polished collection, perfect for sharing work samples, case studies, or reports. Let's jump right in. So first things first, open Adobe Acrobat and look for the Create PDF feature. If you're used to working with just single documents, this option might seem familiar, but what we're going to do is a bit more powerful. By choosing Create PDF, you're telling Acrobat that you want to start something new, which could be way more than a one-page document. Now, within that menu, you'll see an option for multiple files. This is where the portfolio magic happens. Instead of just merging everything together, a PDF portfolio keeps your different files bundled under one cover, but still lets each document stand on its own. Imagine it like putting individual chapters in a book. The reader can flip to each one without losing clarity or formatting. Click Create PDF Portfolio, and Acrobat will prompt you to add files. Take a moment here. Think about which PDFs you want in your portfolio. Maybe it's your resume, work samples, project summaries, or client reports. Acrobat lets you add as many as you need. Click the Add Files button. Don't worry, this part is super forgiving if you change your mind. You can always remove or rearrange files before the final step. Browse your computer and select your PDFs. If you're adding a lot, pace yourself. It can take a minute to gather everything together, and you want to make sure you're grabbing the most up-to-date versions. Once you've selected all your files, Acrobat will list them for you so you can double-check they're right. Here's a good tip. Take a quick look at the order of your documents. Just like a portfolio in real life, how you present your work can make a huge difference. If you want to rearrange the order, Acrobat usually lets you drag and drop each file into place, ensuring your most important ones are front and center. Now, once you're happy with your selection, it's time for the finishing touch. Click the Create button. Acrobat will bundle your selected documents into a single PDF portfolio. This part might take a few moments if you've got a lot of files, so just let the program do its thing. Soon, you'll see your completed portfolio, a consolidated, professional-looking PDF bundle. Each file remains separate, but it's all housed together for easy sharing and presentation. And that's it. You've built your very own PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat. It's neat, organized, and ready to impress whoever receives it. Whether you're sending it to a client, colleague, or teacher, you now have a simple way to showcase multiple PDFs with style. Thanks for following along. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions about creating PDF portfolios or any other Acrobat features, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.